In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect two players on PlayStation 5 Fortnite. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Fortnite on any console, including the PlayStation 5, features couch co-op, also known as split screen. To do this, all that you need is an additional controller connected to the console. So in this particular case, you need an additional DualSense controller. So if you have never connected an additional controller, you can do this with a cable. So you plug one end of a USB cable into the controller and the other one goes into the console. There is no secret to this. This is going to be the most direct approach, but of course it's going to leave a cable, so it can be quite annoying to use. Alternatively, if you press and hold the PlayStation button and the share button on an additional controller for a few seconds, this will enable Bluetooth pairing mode. So by doing this, you can connect your additional controller wirelessly to the PlayStation 5. You can choose whichever option you prefer. It doesn't matter, just choose the one that is more convenient for you, either with a cable or through Bluetooth. Now, once you have this done and you are in close proximity of the console, you should see this pop up. Welcome back to PlayStation. Who's using this controller? This indicates that the controller was successfully detected by the console. If you don't see this prompt, then I recommend restarting the controller or the console because it is going to be detected once you connect it. So you will assign one controller to each user. Player 1 will have their own controller already connected, and then you can either create a new user for the additional controller, so for example user 2, or you can use it as a guest. It doesn't matter if you just create a guest account or you create a new PlayStation Network for the secondary PlayStation Network account for the secondary user, but you have to choose one. Make sure that you don't skip this step, otherwise split screen is not going to work. So either create a new PlayStation Network account, which is what I recommend, and then assign it to that controller, or just use it as a guest. Now, once this is done and you go back inside of the lobby, if you are by yourself in the Fortnite lobby, you will see this message once you press any button on the secondary controller. Log in, hold triangle. So on the secondary controller, hold the respective button. By doing this, you will load into the match, and both of you will be in the lobby. Now you can go ahead and start. Any standard game mode, such as Battle Royale, will have split screen support, but some modes like LEGO Fortnite might not, so keep that in mind. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.